Welcome to TimelinesAI. We help businesses win by integrating multiple individual WhatsApp numbers into CRM. Gain immediate control of your business communication. In this video, I will show you how our multi-number WhatsApp and Pipedrive integration works. With TimelinesAI, you can automatically sync your entire business communication from any number of individual WhatsApp numbers. Start chats and send messages directly from Pipedrive. Keep your clients and prospects updated with personalized automations. Register for a free trial TimelinesAI account, then open the WhatsApp tab and scan the QR code with your WhatsApp mobile application. Go to the Pipedrive tab on the sidebar and connect WhatsApp to Pipedrive in one click. Setup is complete. Automatic sync starts now. We offer a fully functional 10-day trial with no credit card required. Go to your Pipedrive account and open any deal card. Here you can start a new WhatsApp chat through the Pipedrive interface and add any kind of attachments to your message. All messages are synced automatically in real time. Contacts are matched automatically with persons on Pipedrive based on their WhatsApp number. If there is no person with such a number yet, it will be created automatically. As the synchronization happens in real time, new messages in the activity will be updated automatically. Your team can connect multiple WhatsApp numbers and collaborate on all contacts that come through these numbers. It is useful in case your salespeople use individual numbers, or if you have several departments using WhatsApp for different purposes. Register a TimelinesAI account and get a free 10-day trial. No credit card is required. We provide fully functional trial, onboarding, and around-the-clock in-app support to get your team started right away. Feel free to explore other TimelinesAI products, which include multi-number shared inbox to manage all business communication in one place, WhatsApp mass messaging, webhooks and Zapier integration to connect WhatsApp with thousands of different tools. You can even connect WhatsApp to ChatGPT. Ask in the support chat for more information.